Hello YouTube, MUFC here, and I'm back again in the video. And in this video, I'm going to be talking about ZLATAN Ibrahimovic. So ZLATAN Ibrahimovic has joined Manchester United again, and he's going to wear the number. So let's get straight into the news. So Manchester United is delighted to announce that ZLATAN Ibrahimovic will continue his journey with the club and has signed a 1-year contract. He will wear the number 10 shirt. So Ibrahimovic, 35 years old, made 46 appearances and scored 28 goals, which is absolutely amazing for a player that people wrote off and said will not do it in the Premier League or in the English football, and he smashed it, scoring 28 goals during the 2016-17 Premier League campaign before suffering a horrific knee injury which ended his season prematurely. So he's won championships in 4 different leagues since beginning his professional career with Malmo in 1999. So Mourinho said, "We are delighted that Zlatan is on the road to recovery, and we are equally delighted that he will have his ambition and experience back with us. After his contribution last season, he deserves our trust, and we will be patient waiting for him to return. I have no doubt that he will be important in the second part of the season." And Zlatan said, "I am back to finish what I started. It was always mine and the club's intention for me to stay. I cannot wait to get back on the Old Trafford pitch, but I also have to take my time to make sure I'm ready. I've been working hard and will continue to do so to make sure I'm in the best possible condition for my return on the pitch." So Zlatan Ibrahimovic has joined Manchester United on a 1-year contract, wear the number 10 shirt, and the way that we're going at the moment, the club, the team, the way the team are playing, the results that we're getting, 4-0 against West Ham at Old Trafford, 4-0 away to Swansea, which is a very difficult match, albeit they didn't have Sigurdsson and Llorente. We still had to score the goals, and we did. So 2 4-0s, we scored 8 goals in 2 games, conceded 0. Our team is looking strong, and now it's even stronger as Zlatan Ibrahimovic is coming back to Manchester United. Obviously, he's going to take recovery time, so he'll probably be back in January or February. I think he'll be back around mid-Jan to late January, but he will no doubt be a vital player for us in terms of experience. He can guide the players, guide Romelu Lukaku as well. I hope that Zlatan will not be first team in the terms that the pace and power that we have at the moment, the tempo as well is very high tempo. If Zlatan does come on, I wish he comes as a bench player in terms of he can come on the pitch later on during the game and make an impact and lift every team spirit just in case we are behind or something like that. And he would be fantastic in those conditions. But we've got Champions League again, so he can obviously be vital for us in Champions League. He can play the number 10 position, and I think that's where he'll primarily operate. Behind Romelu Lukaku if he does, whenever he does start. So anyways, Zlatan Ibrahimovic to Manchester United. It's a done deal again. Actually, he's re-signed. So it's been a